welcome to the Hacienda. Rivet here. Today we are going to make something delicious, Italian inspired. We are making gnocchi with shrimp and mushrooms. This here is a bouquet garni of fresh oregano and basil. Let's get cooking. First thing, in a generous amount of olive oil, we're going to sweat out the onion. Okay, after a couple minutes they're nicely sweated out. We're going to add 1 tablespoon sea salt, 1 teaspoon of coarse ground black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. To that, we're going to add 3 cans of fire roasted crushed tomatoes. We're going to turn up the heat to high to bring it to a boil. Put in the bouquet garni, a good amount of Chianti. This is really good wine here. And a crap ton of garlic. And we are going to leave the garlic cloves whole because when they cook down they're going to be delicious flavor bombs that'll melt in your mouth. Alright, so now that we got it to a simmer, we're going to add 1 12-ounce jar, 12 or 15-ounce jar of fire roasted red bell peppers. We got a pound of coarsely chopped mushrooms here in a little bit of olive oil. And we're going to cook them down and get all that moisture out of them. And it's unbelievable how much water is inside mushrooms. You can see now how much liquid has come out, because this full pan of chopped mushrooms is now down to this. Why I'm doing this is because it'll concentrate that delicious mushroomy flavor and give the sauce a nice oomph. Okay, so now I'm going to add this into the tomato sauce that's simmering. This has been cooking at a low boil like this for an hour. I've just taken the lid off. I added a tablespoon of sugar to cut out and balance the acidity on advice of Mrs. Rivet. And I fished out the elusive bay leaf, bouquet garni rather. So let's add the shrimp. The shrimp have been added, and over there off camera I got a pot of salted boiling water for the gnocchi. These shrimp should cook through in about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Right about the time the water's boiling, the gnocchi's ready. Right, and here we have a plate of steaming goodness, and let me tell you folks, that sauce smells delicious. But that's not it. We got to gussy it up in the Italian way with some chopped parsley. Now you astute viewers can tell this is curly parsley because the grocery store was completely sold out of Italian flat leaf parsley, which I wanted. So there we go, let's dig in. Oh, first we got to squirt it with some lemon. Okay, so we'll grab this little lemon and I'm going to stab it with my fork so the juice will come out. And oh yeah, oh my, there is nothing better than seafood with lemon juice, that is for sure. Okay, so let's try it. Here's a gnocchi and some good sauce. Oh man, gnocchi is so good. Alright, oh, here's a roasted red bell pepper and a shrimp. I tell you folks, I've said it a lot of times, Gulf shrimp are so sweet. They are so good. That is a great recipe. Yeah, the addition of sugar balanced out the sauce. I really love the addition of the wine. I really prefer making my own sauce and buying jarred, but sometimes jarred sauce is so easy. And the bouquet garni, yeah, fresh oregano, basil. That is a treat. Very, very delicious. And the concentrated mushrooms added a richness and a depth to the sauce. That's a hot tip on how to get mushroom flavor in your food. Get the water out of them. That's so good. Alright, thanks for watching, people. Y'all take care.